So in honor of Earth Day, which is actually today, April 22nd, Prairie State College is celebrating Earth Week. One of the traditions that we've started is we have a poetry contest. So this year, our winner of the poetry contest was David Sherry. He was not able to attend today's ceremony, so we have asked another student to read on his behalf, Adriana, so we will pass it to her.
Ingest me like a chemical compound. I'm here to shatter ground and astound. But if my head could ever quit, it's pounding. I could do with little grounding, 'cause my place is in space, floating above an atomic rock. I love God's creation, but we put it on a lock. So I take my hammer to this clock, crystal shards, to get cosmic layers discarded, but give some regard to what we discard. Inhale like a whale and become echo avant-garde. Here's a chance to be on guard when we discover the alchemy of air. Send a prayer to heaven so ignorance can ensure our brethren. Give progression some discretion. Come when our dreams were torn asunder. They thought bread would quell our hunger, but fertilization for a temporary solution left our future generation with a legacy of pollution. Through nitrogen destruction, we have greater production, but it comes to a cost for natural disruption. There will be regulation, so take care with my air, so that no breath is our death.